Exchange-traded funds or ETFs were first developed in the 1990s as a way to provide access to passive investing for individual investors. Since its inception, the ETF market has grown tremendously and is now used by all types of investors and traders all around the world. According to research firm ETFGI, there were nearly 7,000 ETFs trading globally as of 2019. So why is ETF such a popular tool? ETFs can offer you opportunities to invest with relatively small amounts of capital. In addition to that, ETFs can be bought and sold throughout the trading day and remain highly liquid with substantial trading activity. And most important, ETFs are a low-cost method to get invested. How low cost is it? Do you know that most mutual funds charge more than 1% per annum for active fund management? For ETFs, it's only a fraction of that amount. Take for example iShares Core S&P 500 by BlackRock. This ETF was launched in May 2000 and has an expense ratio of only 0.04%. But the real benefit when investing in an ETF is in diversification. Take for example again the iShares Core S&P 500. It has 505 holdings within it. A single purchase of this ETF will get you the biggest companies in the world like Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, and Google. Not only that, when you invest into this ETF, you will receive dividends, and this is a method to build yourself passive income. Wait, so just invest into an ETF? Are there risks to be aware of? Absolutely. When it comes to investing in ETF that gets you the bond market or equity market, you realize that there can be periods whereby it sees negative movement in terms of its prices. This is actually market risk. So using back the example of the iShares Core S&P 500, you realize that performance back in 2018 was a negative for the year. And back in global financial crisis, you realize that from the peak to the bottom, prices declined by more than 50%. So again, when it comes to investing, take note of your risk appetite. ETF is a method for you to get invested with diversification. And again, if you have questions, leave them in the comment sections and smash on subscribe. We'll be launching videos every week to help you in your financial journey. With that, I'll see you in a future video. Take care and goodbye.